I always get excited when I go to Gift Market Sharjah because this is my most favorite discount center in UAE. It's so huge and everything here is below 20 dirhams. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Lirisha. I make videos about my life in Dubai and about some saving tips in Dubai. So please subscribe to my channel. As I mentioned, Gift Markets is huge and it's not possible to take a video of the entire store. So I'll just show you the new collections that have arrived here and what I have purchased from Gifts Market recently. So when we entered, we saw this carpet and people were buying loads of it. These were all for 20 dirhams only. Lots of designs as well, and I don't think you'll find these for 20 dirhams anywhere. I mainly visited Gifts Market because I wanted to buy these tables and I saw their promo on Instagram. And now that the camping period is going to start, this is a very good purchase. Just 20 dirhams for such big tables. Do you know any other places that sell for so cheap? Do let me know in the comments. Next, I got this baby folding chair for my toddler, and even the adult chairs are for 16 dirhams, so get these for your next camping tour. I like this beautiful decor as well, but I don't want to spend 18 dirhams on this decor unnecessarily. I love the toy section at Gifts Market Sharjah, and if you're a parent, you will be as excited as your toddler when you visit this place. These shirts were just for 3 dirhams, and then this tent was for around 15 dirhams. These safety guards have helped us so much and we got another pair of it. These kids' hair accessories were just for 1 dirham. Okay, and the Christmas decor was so beautiful. Things were starting from 1 dirhams only. We have purchased a lot of Christmas decor from here, and I'll be uploading a separate video just to show you the comparison between Day to Day and Gifts Market Christmas decor. I got this fan for 6 dirhams. The speed is okay for the price. These wall clocks were beautiful. They were for 20 dirhams. Earlier I remember they used to be for lesser. These lamps also were very beautiful. If you're looking for any photography accessories, you have to come here because things here are below 11 dirhams. And look at the quality, it's so beautiful. So this is one thing that I liked during my visit this time. Then this foot chopper is only for 20 dirhams. This hair straightener reminds me of the Tymo viral hair straightener at a fraction of its price, but I'm not sure about the quality. One of you recently asked me where to buy newborn products. If you come to Gifts Market Sharjah, you can find almost everything here, from clothes to accessories and bottles. So please do have a look here because the items are really affordable and of good quality. Do let me know if you want a video on newborn essentials that we can buy at Gifts Market. So this multi-corner shelf was for 20 dirham. It looked very interesting to be kept in the bathroom. And these plates are for 1 and 2 and 3 dirhams. This beautiful tray is for 20 dirhams. And one of the main reasons why people come to Gifts Market is for this water. So you can see people loading their trolleys with this water, and we too have bought a lot this time. So this was all that I found during my recent visit to Gifts Market. And these are the things that I purchased. I got this mat for my bathroom. It was 10 dirhams or 12 dirhams per meter. And then this set of cups for my toddler. This fan, as I mentioned, is okay for the price. It's only 6 dirhams. And then this mosquito killer for 2 dirhams. These lights for 10 dirhams. This pumice stone for 2 dirhams. And I have purchased a lot of Christmas decor, which I'll be uploading in a separate video. I also got these hair accessories, each of them for just 2 dirhams. This safety edge guard again for 5 dirhams. And then this mat for the bathroom for 8 dirhams. And I got some other stuff too, like a selfie stick for 10 dirhams, cotton socks, a fan, some more hair accessories, all for 2-3 dirhams. And I got some good toys for my toddler, all below 10 dirhams. You can also find really good toys at Gifts Village Karama for below 10 dirhams. And I have uploaded a video on that, so please do check that out. And this is another toy for 9 dirhams. And this was something that I purchased during my last visit to Gifts Market Sharjah. All these toys for my toddler just below 10 dirhams. This huge set of sketch pens was just for 15 dirhams. There are 60 colors over here and they are double-sided. I got some hair accessories and a lot of toys during my last visit. And all these things are still in good shape and condition. The quality of toys there are really good. 50 cars for 17 dirhams is definitely a good deal. And you all know how much toddlers love cars. So even this book was for just 2 dirhams. In Day to Day and in Gifts Village, usually these books are for 6 or 10 dirhams. This is my toddler, just waiting for me to finish my video so she can just play with everything. We also got all these things during our last visit. This handheld vacuum cleaner for our car for 20 dirhams. These batteries for 10 dirhams, and we required these batteries for my daughter's remote cars and other stuff. We got some car accessories, some super glue, this knife sharpener and some more safety edge guard. And the quality of this is really good for 5 dirhams. Even on Shein you will not find this for 5 dirhams. We got this huge tumbler as well. It was for 10 dirhams and a bowl for 5 dirhams. And yes, a lot of water because this deal you will not get anywhere. So this was all about our trip to Gifts Market this time. If you're looking for affordable household items at very good quality, please do visit Gifts Market. You will not regret. Hope you enjoyed my video. I love making videos like this. So if you enjoy this content, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.